to me, this isn't a typical tourist season. It's relatively, some places are busy, some are not. It says Indonesians, Western tourists, a mixture of people here. Very nice seating area here. I've just got myself a cold coconut. Inside. Very nice. Just setting up for the music now. I love you. Yes, yes. Spring roll. We have another bar here, brother. You good? I'm going to just show you some of the types of food and drinks and things that you can get here. Good late afternoon, early evening from Bali, Indonesia. So it's just approaching 6 p.m. I'm here in the Legian area, Bali, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a beach walking tour along a section of Legian Beach. So my starting point for today's video is going to be at the main gate entrance to Seminyak 66 Beach on one side of the gate entrance, and on the other side is going to be Legian Beach, which is the beach we're going to be walking along today. So first of all, I'm going to take you through the gate entrance. I'm just going to give you a quick glimpse to Seminyak 66 beaches as they're right next door to each other, but the main focus in today's video is going to be Legian Beach itself. So as I'm walking along the track, I'm going to take in all of the food and drink sellers that line the back of the beach, zigzag in and out from the path that runs along the back of the beach onto the beach, take you down and show you the ocean, take you and show you the seating areas, and just give you a general idea of the activity this July at Legian Beach area here in Legian. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a beach stroll here in Legian. Okay, so there's the street of Jalan Arjuna that leads you down to Seminyak and Legian beaches. This is the parking area. And this is the main gate entrance to Legian and Seminyak 66 beaches. So the parking is 2,000 for motorbike, maybe 5,000 or 10,000 for a car. And then we're going to take you in through this main gate entrance first of all. Shelter Kabanan Arjuna statue on the top there. And then just to the right here is Seminyak 66 Beach, which is what we're going to take a view at first of all. Just see the activity, see whether it's busy or not on the beach. I have quite a few people mulling around. These are all Indonesian here in front of the camera. There should be Western here. Well, we have a few Western tourists sat in here. Very, very nice. Nice there. The swings over there, they're just setting up for the music now. I love you. There's a look back at Seminyak 66 beaches. This is a place called K Restro. And we're going to head in this direction in today's video. So we have lots of Indonesian families I see here. A group of Indonesian. And then this is Legian Beach now. So not too busy at this section, but usually is the case here. This section's normally the just gets a steady flow. I have a big group here. Well, again, it's Indonesian. Interesting. Big beer coolers there. Wow. Actually doing the food here. Wow. He's cooking the fish as well. Very nice. Okay, so you have all the beach bars lining the back of the beach there. However, we'll have to stay here. It's all mainly Indonesian families here. We have some tourists here. It's Ido Ichi Bumbar, have the swing there. Can't go to the back because there's copyright music. Oh, we have groups of tourists here. Oh, nice. It's a good mix, I'd say, of Indonesian and tourists. He's giving a massage there. And then we'll go down to give you a look at the ocean. Beautiful sunset there. Wow, full sun. It's beautiful. And then we have the ocean there. It's very far out. It's quite big waves. I'm not going to actually go down to the ocean. Just give you a look here. You can see the water's been coming out here. Very nice. Okay, so we've just come back up now to the pathway area here at the back of the beach. Of the Choo-Choo Belgian waffle. Cara Beach Bar here. And the Choo-Choo. So what's available here. Very nice. Some of the little ice creams there. And this is the famous bakso. Okay, so here's the bakso, the famous one here. So this is the one you're looking for here. Just for my bakso here. This is a very popular bakso amongst Indonesians here. How are you, brother? We have quite a few Australians here at the back of the beach. Ajik and Kulu's bar here. How are you, brother? You good? Tourists here again. And also, we have quite a few here. Grilled corn. How are you, brother? And some Bella's bar here. Grilled sweet corn. There it is there. Wow. Even have a dartboard here. I'll play some darts. I'll just walk in again here a little bit. Indonesians, Western tourists, good mixture of people here. Have lots of music going on. Quite empty here at this section. Some appear to be more popular than others. There's lots of empty seats here. Wow. So you have all the little beach bars lining the back of the beach there. And just cut in again here. Yeah, very empty in this section on the actual beach itself. Ferry bar and eatery. I'm going to just show you some of the types of food and drinks and things that you can get here. Buy 3 get 2 there, it says on the thing. We just go back on the path away from the copyright music. Quite empty in this section here. Quite empty here as well. Wow. Very quiet here. This is normally, if it's busy in Bali, it would be full, this beach. Very many empty tables. Let's get back on the track now. Just to show you there is tourists here. A place called Rubar. Temporary tattoo sold here as well. Tourists there. Looks as though they're just packing up for the day. How are you, brother?
Good, mate. How are you?
Good, good. Nova bar. We're getting to a little bit busier again here now. So it seems as though some areas are busy, some are quiet. It's like on the street, and the massage there. Lots of empty chairs as well though here. Beach Bum Bar. Wow, what a name that is. Beach Bum Bar. Newman, nice cold face. Oh, what a name that is. Let's just go along the back here. Jerry's Beach Bar, beer o'clock. Let's have a look at Jerry's. Oh, so there's quite a few here as well at Jerry's. This one's called Frank's Bar. It's got TV screens here. I think last time I come it had the TV screen over there. Oh, very, very empty here as well. Oh la la. I'd say it's more empty than full. Island Brewing. Nice little bar area there. Lots. Nobody. The deck Bali. Oh my god, it's very, very quiet. Wow. Lots of empty seats. And some of the hats and caps and things for sale. Green Beach Bar. How are you, brother?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Spring roll.
Spring roll. We have another bar here. This one's called the Green Beach Bar. Another one here. Not sure what this one is. Oh, Lance's Beach Bar. How are you, brother? Say something.
Yeah, boss.
Very nice seating area here. Oh, they're not overly busy. Nice, beautiful seating areas here. But not busy. We just call in here. Oh, we've got copyright music. JB's Bar. It's nice at the back there, but we'll have to head away because it's relatively. I mean, this is what I'm saying now. It's just not. It's not a normal tourist season. I'm sorry, it's just not. So many empty seats. Yes, we have busy in some areas, but if it was a proper full tourist season, these would be all full. Too many empty areas. The camera don't lie, just remember that. How are you, brother? A big group here. Indonesian though again, one bule or one Western tourist. Oh, very, very quiet. Okay, just coming to the back of the beach again now. We have, what a name that is, Lucky Beach Bar. Great name. There's quite a few here actually. A few Western tourists here. But on this side, nothing. Just go. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
Good, good. The artists here. Family here. And just walking up the top. So again, we have a mix here. Some places full, some not. Jump up there. Indonesian. And then we have the impressive place here at the back. This is the local beach house. Not sure whether this is the same as the local on Lansard Hour, aka Garlic Lane. Let's look inside. Very nice. And just more at the back here. Selling the nice things there. He's got the flickering things. So we have a few in there as well. So this one's quite popular and quite busy. The Sky Bar here. Just walk around and show you the musical artist. Be a bit rude to walk through with the paying customers there. The musical artist there. I'll just show you from this side. We're on the opposite side now. Seems there's more people in here. I showed you coming along this way. We missed this. The window's open. That's where we end tonight's video. Okay, so I've just completed my beach walk now here at Legian Beach. Just got myself a cold coconut. These are 30,000 from the Baxo place at the back here. Ooh, that's nice and refreshing after a walk. So I shall just finish now today's video, giving you my sort of like final impressions. To me, this isn't a typical tourist season. It's relatively. Some places are busy, some are not. It's the same situation as on the street. Some sports bars, some restaurants are busy, some are not. On the street in general, I'm only seeing traffic, not too much foot traffic, not too many people wandering around. So in general, I don't know, for me, it's not a true Bali tourist season if I go back to like before 1 year before the pandemic. So we went back 5-6 years ago, and this beach would have been full. Literally every seat taken on the beach. That's just not the case in this evening's walk, and this is a peak time now that I'm walking at, sunset time. This is when everybody comes down to the beach. Scenic Beach look quite quiet as well over there. Normally the most busy one there is La Plancha. That's the one that I go to, but in general it just seems relatively quiet to me. Like I say, busy in some areas and in others not. If this was a true tourist season, trust me, the beach would be literally every seat, every table, chair taken on the beach. So just adding a little bit as well, I think what's making a beach look actually again a little bit busier than it really is with international visitors is there is quite a few domestic Indonesians as well, taking up a lot of the table and chairs here. That has always been the case, in fairness, at this beach. I've been coming to this beach for many, many years. I've been coming to this particular beach section and Scenic, Double Six Beach. These are my favourite beaches in this area. I've been coming here for years, and I have seen it a lot busier than this. If this was a true full-blown on tourist season, high season, as of going back to before the pandemic, trust me, this would have been everywhere. Every seat, every table, every chair would be literally taken.